Hi everyone, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. I just got this Luseta purple shampoo and conditioner set, and it's my first time trying it. The packaging is really nice. It feels premium and looks great. When I opened the box, I was surprised by how big the bottles are. Usually purple shampoos and conditioners come in smaller sizes, so this was a nice surprise. And they included 2 bonus samples of the Rosemary Mint Complex shampoo and conditioner, each 2.02 ounces. That's always a plus. Now, let's talk about the scent because that's always my biggest concern with purple shampoos. Most of them have that strong chemical smell, which I really don't like. I started with the shampoo and wow, it smells really good. I was honestly surprised by how nice and fresh it is. Then I tried the conditioner and oh my gosh, this one blew me away. It smells amazing, even better than the shampoo. I'm really excited to see how it works on my hair after using it for a while. But so far, the size and the scent have definitely passed the test. I'll let you know how it goes once I've used it for a bit. Hope this helps if you've been thinking about trying it. See you next time.